The world of cycling is changing faster than ever before. What used to be simple bikes and basic gear has now evolved into a full ecosystem of smart helmets, AI-powered accessories, futuristic safety systems, and ultra-efficient riding tech that feels like it belongs in the future. In this video, we're breaking down 15 of the hottest new bikes, gear, and innovations you need to see right now. From cutting-edge safety upgrades to next-level performance tools designed to make every ride smarter, safer, and more exciting. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend rider, or a hardcore bike enthusiast, these innovations are pushing the limits of what's possible on two wheels. So, buckle up, because what you're about to see isn't just new gear. It's the future of cycling. Woolf. The Woolf Smart Folding Bike Helmet is a fresh take on cycling safety, combining portability with smart tech in a way that actually feels useful for everyday riders. It folds down in seconds, making it easy to carry in a bag, while still offering solid protection with its impact-absorbing shell and rotational force reduction system. What really stands out are the built-in LED lights, turn signals, brake light function, and crash detection alerts that connect to your phone for emergency messaging. On Kickstarter, it launched around $99 early backer price, with an expected retail price of about $219. Overall, it's a clever mix of safety, convenience, and smart features in one compact helmet. Cambox V4 Pro. The Cambox V4 Pro is a clever helmet-mounted camera that feels almost invisible once installed, yet delivers surprisingly professional riding footage. Designed to sit under the visor, it records in up to 4K at 60 frames per second with a wide 150-degree lens, capturing a true rider's eye perspective that standard action cams often miss. It's ultralight, discreet, and built with strong stabilization, plus Wi-Fi connectivity for quick sharing via its app. On Kickstarter and retail listings, pricing ranges roughly from $349 to $529, depending on package and region. It's not cheap, but for riders who want clean, helmet-integrated POV footage, it's a serious upgrade over bulky action cameras. Allpacka One Complete. The Allpacka One Complete is a clever urban cycling accessory that turns any standard bike into a mini cargo carrier without permanently adding bulk or weight. Designed in Germany, it folds flat against your rear rack and instantly expands into a sturdy cargo box when needed, offering around 30 liters of storage capacity and up to 20 kilograms load support. The mechanism is simple, fast, and surprisingly solid for everyday errands or commuting. On Kickstarter, early pricing sits around €90 to €120 depending on support tier, with expected retail slightly higher. It's a smart, practical upgrade for riders who want utility without sacrificing clean bike aesthetics. The NEUES BASTILLE is a fresh take on the modern folding e-bike, blending full-size ride comfort with smart urban portability. Built around a lightweight 16.7 kilogram aluminum frame, it features a 250-watt rear hub motor, integrated 210 watt-hours battery, and delivers a real-world range of around 40 to 50 kilometers depending on assist mode. What makes it stand out is its ultra-fast folding system and clean design. No clutter, just a minimal cockpit and smooth belt drive feel. On the official listing, pricing sits at about €3,190, around $3,400. It's a premium commuter bike made for riders who want simplicity, elegance, and performance in one package. Blucap Moto. The Blucap Moto is a futuristic navigation sunglasses system designed specifically for riders who want real-time directions without constantly checking a phone. Built with an AR micro LED heads-up display, it projects turn-by-turn navigation directly into your field of view, while still looking like a normal pair of riding sunglasses. It connects via Bluetooth to a companion app and Handlebar remote, offering map control, alerts, and directional guidance. On Kickstarter, early pricing was around $299, with a projected retail price near $399. It's an ambitious piece of bike tech that blends safety, minimal distraction, and next-gen navigation into one sleek wearable. Enviolo Automatic. The Enviolo Automatic is a smart stepless shifting system that completely changes how an e-bike feels on the road. Instead of fixed gears, it uses a continuously variable transmission, CVT, that adjusts smoothly based on your cadence, giving a natural, almost automatic scooter-like ride experience. It works best with Bosch, or compatible e-bike motors, and supports both manual and full auto shifting modes for flexibility. The system itself typically sits in the €350 to €900 range, depending on hub and automatic interface setup, placing it in the premium e-bike category. What stands out most is its silent operation, low maintenance design, and effortless ride quality, perfect for urban commuters who just want to pedal and go. FESCHD Handlebar Mount. The FESCHD handlebar mount is a clean, well-engineered smartphone mounting solution designed for riders who want stability without clutter on the cockpit. Built in Germany, it uses a magnetic mechanical locking system that keeps your phone secure even on rough terrain, while still allowing quick one-hand attachment and removal. It supports handlebars from 25.4mm to 35mm, and features a 90-degree rotatable design for portrait or landscape navigation. Made from fiberglass reinforced recycled plastic, it balances durability with lightweight construction. Priced at around €39, it's a solid mid-range bike gadget that focuses on safety, simplicity, and vibration-free riding performance. Aeroe BikePack. The Aeroe BikePack is a clever modular bikepacking system designed to make carrying gear feel effortless and adaptable on any ride. Built in New Zealand, it uses a unique quick mount cradle system that lets you attach waterproof dry bags in seconds without fiddly straps. The bags come in multiple sizes, typically 9 litres, 11 litres, and 14 litres, and are made from durable, waterproof TPU-coated 600D nylon for tough trail conditions. Depending on configuration, the full setup ranges roughly from $100 to $250 plus USD, with racks and bags sold separately. What really stands out is its flexibility. You can move cargo between fork, rear, or handlebar setups with ease, making it ideal for bikepacking and commuting alike. PopCycle. The PopCycle is one of the most futuristic folding bikes in recent memory, standing out with its unusual sliding frame design instead of a traditional fold. Built around a lightweight die-cast aluminum frame, around 13 to 14 kilograms depending on variant, it can shrink down in seconds by sliding the rear section forward and folding handlebars and pedals, making it extremely compact for city storage. It also features a 7-speed drivetrain, adjustable geometry for different rider heights, and 16-inch wheels for urban agility. On Kickstarter, early pricing started around $468, with retail expectations reported closer to $700 to $780. It's a bold, experimental commuter bike that focuses on portability and innovation over convention. Tailfin AeroPack. The Tailfin AeroPack is a premium rear bike packing system designed to eliminate wobble and make carrying gear feel almost invisible while riding. Built around a rigid carbon or alloy rack integrated with a roll-top 18-litre waterproof bag, it delivers exceptional stability even on rough terrain. The system weighs roughly 772 grams, carbon version, and supports up to 27 kilograms total load capacity, making it one of the most robust lightweight cargo setups available. Pricing typically starts around $390 to $590 depending on configuration and mounts. It's not cheap, but the engineering quality, aerodynamic design, and rock-solid performance make it a top-tier choice for serious bikepackers and commuters alike. RydeSafe Headtube Bike Light. The RydeSafe Headtube Bike Light is a clever minimalist cycling light designed to free up handlebar space while still keeping you visible on the road. It wraps neatly around the bike's head tube using a 7-inch adjustable silicone strap, and features a 10 LED strip producing up to 50 lumens for 180 degrees visibility. Built for urban riders, it offers 4 lighting modes: IPX4 water resistance, and a lightweight body of just 56 grams, powered via USB with up to 7 hours runtime. On Kickstarter, early pricing was around $32. It's a simple but smart safety upgrade for commuters who want clean handlebars and reliable visibility. Lumos Ultra. The Lumos Ultra is a smart cycling helmet that blends everyday protection with seriously modern tech, making it one of the most recognizable Kickstarter bike gadgets in recent years. It comes packed with integrated front and rear LED lights, turn signals, brake light functionality, and optional MIPS safety protection, all built into a sleek commuter-friendly design. Powered by a rechargeable USB system with up to 10+ hours of battery life, it also connects to a handlebar remote or smartphone for signal control. On Kickstarter, it launched around $79 to $99 early backer pricing, with a typical retail price close to $99 to $150 depending on configuration. It's a strong mix of visibility, safety, and smart convenience for urban riders who want to stand out and stay protected. Werks Handlebar Bag. The Werks Handlebar Bag is a smartly engineered cockpit storage solution designed for riders who want quick access without cluttering their handlebars. Built around a rigid hinged lid system, it offers 3.2 liters of internal storage, multiple organizer pockets, and a stable mount that integrates with Garmin, Wahoo, and Quadlock systems. The bag itself weighs about 670 to 680 grams, including mount, uses 500 DPU-coated nylon, and supports up to 4 kilograms load capacity. Pricing typically sits around $149 to $179 for the bag, with mounts sold separately, approximately $30 to $40. It's not waterproof, but its real strength is usability. Fast access, solid stability, and one of the cleanest handlebar setups in cycling gear. Dual Mirror System. The Dual Mirror System is a smart helmet-mounted safety accessory designed to solve a real problem for cyclists, maintaining constant rear visibility without relying on handlebars or electronics. Built around a lightweight dual mirror arm system, it positions 2 adjustable mirrors at different angles, so riders can see behind them whether they're upright, cruising, or in an aggressive riding posture. The kit typically includes a helmet base mount, adjustable arm, and mirror set with multiple shims for fit compatibility. On Kickstarter, early pricing sits around 60 to 90 Canadian dollars, with retail expected slightly higher. It's a simple but clever analog safety upgrade focused on awareness, stability, and distraction-free riding.